So for this special occasion, we have Universe Boss himself doing his interview for his new music video. He's here with Anthony Miller from Entertainment Report, ER in Jamaica, local television, and we are doing the food. We're there. We said, I linked him yesterday, I said, boy, Universe Boss, we can't do nothing normal when it comes to this, we have to show out. So today we're doing some hanging jerk chicken, we're getting some lobster, we have some king crab, we also have some crayfish, some janga that we're going to put on and sort out. Proper things are going, just a little grilling. Just start the fire, we just light up the fire, we have a lot of stuff going on today. So the fire just light, and after this is food time. Still a dodge bush from the last one, but after this, it's down to the nitty-gritty. Something else gotta be there, spinning the same way. Let it go, let it smoke, let it spin, and we're great right there. Nothing normal, we have to do something different outside the box, something special. Hanging jerk chicken, you can't get better than that. I mean, there's not a lot of places on the island where you can get this. There are quite a few, but it's just the start. As I said, we're going to put the pimento leaves on it so that smoke comes up and catches it after. And when that smoke infuses that chicken, oh my God, you know, it's a different game, that different ballgame. So we're out here with the Universe Boss. I wait for the food, the light just strike, but him do him interview, Entertainment Report, Anthony Miller himself in it. Universe Boss, right behind the scenes of the new music video. So check it out, Pineapple Beach. Beautiful background, beautiful settings. Chris is interviewing now with Anthony Miller, popular Entertainment Reporting, local television. We're here at Pineapple Beach. See it there. Couple of these, and we should be good. Add that to the fire, and that'll create the smoke that we need. That's all we need. We're not trying to rape the trees of anything. We're picking up the older pimentos, and just like last time, put some smoke in it. There are very few things Jamaica is more famous for, and you know, smoke is one of them. You come to Jamaica, back in the days, people used to come to good smoke. Maybe in the jerk chicken, maybe in the jerk pork, maybe in something else. Today we're putting it into the chicken. And they're coming along well. We have to flip them and spin them as well. We're just going to add some of this to it. Get some smoke, raise it and lower it, depending on the temperature. Integration to this. Make sure the wings stay hydrated. You don't want them to burn out. That's the first part that will cook. Might start this as a new turn. Make sure everything gets a little touch. Enough additives. You don't know. One down, couple more to go. So we have Going with the hungry chicken next. The Aussie will teach us how to eat crawfish.
Apparently you just suck it.
The universe boss in a swim.
Yeah.
And Chocolate player. YouTube, you can't flag me for this a beef tune. You hear YouTube, you can't flag me for this. Can't flag me for the boss video. You hear it in the background.
Jamaican chef in the building.
Straight to the boss YouTube. I put the link right under
man,
this video. Yeah.
straight.
For the video launch to that. Behind the scenes access when I get straight
man,
from the
straight.
universe boss.
Real to
Yeah,
it.
man, and I'm the side chef.
I'm the main chef. Chicken on the grill. It's keeping that chicken hydrated with our moisture. Special jerk season that's in there. Keep that chicken hydrated. Keeps in the flavor, keeps it moist as well. That moisture is the thing that you're looking for. Nobody likes a dried out chicken, especially if you hang the chicken to jerk. You can't be serving dried out chicken after that. So we're just moistening up the chicken, making sure that the flavor stays in.
Yo, see the finishing, yeah? See the finishing, yeah? Yeah? See him there? See him there behind the camera right now. Yeah, man.
Couldn't wait. Expressions alone. Worth it.
My fucking god.
Worth it.
I'm not joking.
Good with it? Worth the wait?
Worth the wait.
Worth the wait. As long as it worth the wait.
I've been waiting in this exact spot for 2 hours.
You know them say first come first serve. She was the first here.
Though good things come to those
Those
who
who
wait.
This is the best one.
That is actually the best chicken I have ever had in my life.
I can second that. It's the best. It's the best. Jamaican boss.
Big up with the universe boss. We out here.
Yeah.
Chuck a local video and shoot me tell you something. I drop it in the link for theme video. YouTube don't flag me please at the boss song.
Yeah, don't flog him, please. Don't flog him, alright? Support him.
They're ready.
Support him. We're gonna shoot now. Look at that, man. Jesus
Right
Christ.
up.
Yo, the chicken now. Yo, this chicken is.
Come sit down and go on that.
Now we're gonna do a little shoot. Just cover it up, man. Know yourself, man.
Alright, yeah, man, go and smoke it.
Yeah, man. Go and smoke it, man. Make it go and smoke,
Man,
man.
just smoking, man.
We're gonna get rid of that scene now quickly. Yeah.
Hey, we want everything one time, cause yo, all this thing, yo, all the bone can name.
Yeah, man,
I will tell you. Oh, listen, yo, murder.
Can't explain.
Yeah, man, I read that, man.
Can't believe Soji. I hear something come back here.
Yeah, man, we're there, man. Daddy, we're there. That's enough.
Don't know. Universe boss. Hey, Tom. Beg your plate.
Yo, a food time, man. Food time. Food time. You hear me I say? Me nah eat no hog, chicken me I eat. Chicken and kong. Yeah, man. Jamaican food boss. Jamaican food boss. And the food boss. Yo, Jamaican food boss now play. Jamaican food boss now. Wait, I might chicken it now. We're back up with chicken. Yeah. Nah, man. Yeah, where I say, man? That man. You'll be my chicken. I will tell you, man, everything I get. Nyam.
Right, you pretty up for?
Yo, Jamaican food boss. Me nah lie. Yeah, I'm on the food taste. Yo, the chicken, I'm tell you, say, yo. The chicken are going with a bag, I think. Food ready now, babes? She's already? Alright, I'm glad she's alright. I'm glad she's alright.
Yeah, I got the
Your cheat.
I'm glad she's alright, man. The car, how what time? The man want the onion bug. The G want the onion bug for him.
Two of us. This is a two.
Hold on. The G want the onion bug.
On purpose a while ago. I'm gonna stick to it.
Nah, man, the one could that good.
Yeah, but she don't want to mess with me eat the bread, but she want the wing. I don't mean alone, you know.
Anything on the John just take up.
Me, man, give her the leg, she want the leg. No, that's alright.
That's how we man.
You know, she want that.
She want this.
Me and I read it. Me not read it. But me I come back and if find the back good.
Man got to feel it.
Yeah, man, murder.
Up to your respect. That was in our credit.
Bossy.
Boss at work. What's this now, man?
This is lobster mixed with mahi.
Lobster mixed with mahi. Lobster mixed with mahi.
We never heard that yet.
So what of the sea?
Chicken of the sea.
The chick of the sea or whatever, the chicken of the sea. I have no idea, but the food boss know what he's doing, so he's the greatest.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Slice and dice.
Slice and dice.
And everything gonna cook together.
And everything nice.
Everything.
Everything nice.
We're doing lobster and mahi. Mahi, mahi. And what?
Chicken of the sea.
I don't know what it is.
Aye. On the crab head too. What's that? The fucking man catch the plate on the crab head to your ass, lad. Yeah. Cool, huh?
Yo, man. No joke. I swear. No joke. Food boss is still a. Yeah, fish.
Epic day, epic day, epic